Didi.
Namaste. How are you?
Namaste. 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 Namaste.
Good morning. You look
Good morning.
fresh today. Huh? Had breakfast in the canteen? Yes. That is the reason to sparkle. Okay. Anyway, so we have tried in the earlier classes to give you an idea about creativity, about choreography, and we went through some of the traditional items in but a lot of times now, and I'm sure it must have been earlier also, but we do not know that that you want to go beyond tradition, or you want to expand the tradition.
Expand.
There is, because I think the tradition is like infinity. So you go this much, it will go beyond this. You go this much, this goes like that. So it can expand. It is up to it's your own strength how much you can expand it. And you know, we have starting with so many greats, but then in our lifetime we have seen Srimati Rukmini Devi, apna Uday Shankar ji, and then you know, Ram Gopal, and coming to these times Mrinalini, Sarabhai, Chandralekha, and so many people who have expanded the boundaries of tradition. And each, I think, performing artist or each guru, each teacher, each student tries in her or his way of this extension of. Now recently, like Neo Bharatam by Anika Ratnam that we saw, Geeta ji's Gandhi, you know, these are all examples of using the classical technique of Bharatanatyam and carrying it forward. So one is the area of creativity within the tradition.
We also have heard about your creativity and your. So definitely during this session we would definitely want to see something. I am sure they will be also wanting to see.
We heard about that Ganga.
It's okay, it's okay. So what is that? The tradition you have understood how, then you will try by yourself. But if you want to create a shabdam, how to select the song, how to select and song which has to be narrative, song which has to be lyrical, song which you understand, or things, all these things to select the song. But then there is one area now that sometimes you don't want words.
Yes.
Or sometimes you don't want the same musical forms. You don't want shabdam or a kirtanam or a varnam.
Yes, that is one area.
It is the part of tradition.
Yes, but then this creativity, when you say about, I mean, expanding the boundaries, when you say, you want to go out of that.
Right. So you have different subjects. You will get out of the this thing to only to the God and the King, but you will worship the nature.
Yes.
You may not worship, but you will be shocked at things that happen in nature. You will want to talk about your feelings about a girl child.
That's what I was about to say.
There is one song in Satyamev Jayate, Ori Chiraiya Nanni Si Kuriya अंगना में फिर आ जा रे.
क्या बात है?
पूरा एपिसोड जो था कि एक लड़की पैदा होते ही फिर उसको जब भेज देते ससुराल में, बट वहाँ पे उसको बहुत दुख वगैरह होता है, तो उसके माँ बाप बोलते कि अब वापस आ जा, हमने ही तुझे भेजा है बट तू वापस आ जा.
So can you sing that song?
ओरी चिरैया नन्ही सी गुड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे.
So I am sure that some point of time you have danced on this, maybe in your room, in your anyway. So I think I have the music, we can switch on the music and show whatever you've
Whatever
done.
that you get
This
to
is
do.
not yet fixed, this is not yet finally designed, but this is your spontaneous creativity. So let's see. Huh? Let's try. Come on, switch on the music. So you watched this episode and you like this song, and so you thought that why
Yeah, the whole episode on the Save Girl Child.
Save Girl
So
Child.
in this 2-3 songs sung by Mohapatra, Sona Mohapatra,
Hmm.
and it's very beautiful songs.
Yeah, okay, good. So this is the kind of thing that you want to express, through your
one
dance.
question I would like to answer, and I would like to question you here at this point. When you are talking about this particular song, and you are yet not married, so do you, when you hear this song, when you heard this song for the first time, did you get anything in your mind regarding what's going to happen when you will get married or something like that in your mind? Has it ever come?
जो पूरा एपिसोड जो मैंने उनका पूरा जो एक सीरीज था गर्ल चाइल्ड का वो जो पूरा देखा और उसमें जो 5 सॉन्ग्स जिस हिसाब से थे तभी मैंने एक डिसाइड किया था कि मैं कभी भी अगर कुछ करूंगी नया तो वो सेव गर्ल वो पांचों जो सॉन्ग
She is affected by the Save Girl Child. I mean,
वो छोटी सी है
being a girl
उसको
herself.
problem है, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स है बीइंग अ सिंगल पेरेंट अगर मैं अपनी बात करूँ और जब उसको शादी करके भेजते हैं तो वहाँ पे भी उसको उतने ही क्राइसिस देखने को मिलते हैं तो वहाँ पे भी एक सॉन्ग है मुझे क्या बेचे यार रुपया उसको भेज दिया है दहेज देके बट नाउ शी इज कि बस बहुत होता
Okay, so you can start.
है ट्राई
Try.
Yeah,
Yeah.
whatever that.
Whatever. So, for what did you imagine here in the way you
एक
have
माँ अपनी
composed?
बेटी को बोलती है माँ ने अपनी बेटी को देखा हुआ है जब से वो छोटी से बड़ी हुई उसने सब कुछ उसका किया है उसको ससुराल भेजा है
No. The song is Ori Chiraiya.
Chiraiya.
What is Chiraiya?
फॉर मी अ स्मॉल गर्ल स्मॉल चाइल्ड
हाँ, then आगे
नन्ही सी गुड़िया
नन्ही सी चिड़िया है, गुड़िया नहीं है. अंगना में फिर आ जा रे.
एक में चिड़िया एंड द सेकंड टाइम वो गुड़िया
गुड़िया फिर अंगना में फिर आ जा रे.
और फर्स्ट में अगर चिड़िया के उसमें देते हैं तो वो छोटा सा बच्चा है
No, but I want to understand. Now, this is a father singing the song? Who is mother? But here is a male voice.
Yes.
So, and why is she calling her back to Angana में?
बिकॉज इसके पहले का जो एपिसोड था उसमें ये था
नहीं, forget about episodes. See,
नहीं,
we are trying to choreograph something. You liked a song, you picked it up. But you have to understand what it is about. The song by itself. You can't say episode के पहले था ये episode. We're not talking of episodes. But in this song, what have you understood? That what is the what is the feeling in the song? who is telling whom?
Mother is telling her daughter कि वापस आ जा तू.
So this is a brave deed by a mother
Mother.
in any society to tell that come back.
हाँ.
It's not that
No.
simple.
Huh.
I don't think it is the meaning of the song. I have.
a word. मेरे पास शब्द है.
What are you saying? You were saying something.
सोसाइटी में उतना इजी नहीं है कि लड़की को एक बार शादी करके भेज दो तो उसको
Parent would
वापस-
say come back, and what is the reason that they are saying come back?
I think she's been harassed. That is what she's.
Huh.
The daughter has been harassed by the when she's got married and went to her in-laws' place.
Yeah, but
So that is how they are not able to bear it and they want her back home. They only have sent her, married her.
हमने ही भेजा है क्योंकि उसमें ऐसा है कि हमने ही जानबूझ के
oh,
सारे
something
सितम
वो
किए
क्या
हैं.
pain वाला something you were
सितम किए.
showing.
She's tying the.
Something नहीं no if second line when you were coming back forward and some dukh something is coming.
उसके जो सितम है और अभी उसके जो
नहीं
खून
what
बह रहा है,
हाँ वो
खून
किस
जो-
हाँ वो खून किसका खून बह रहा है?
वहाँ पे उसको जो सितम हो रहा है उसके ससुराल में उसको जो सितम हो रहा है.
But
जो
what
हमने
are
किए.
what are the words? What are the words of that area?
मेरी बुक में है.
हाँ please. See, because this is very important that you understand the subject, the context. We have this yatane shonnalum. So the woman says, whatever happens, good or bad, you stay there.
You stay there.
How just you come walk away? So from that to this transition is not easy.
हाँ. अंधियारा है ये घना और लहू से है सना.
Hmm?
किन्नरों के तिनके अंबर से चुनके अमीना में फिरा जा रे.
Hmm.
Then they say हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए.
Hmm.
हमने तुझ पे जहाँ भर के जुल्म है किए.
Hmm.
हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी ये जमी तेरे बिन सूनी रह जाएगी.
Hmm.
किसके दम पे सजेगा ये अंगना मेरा.
Hmm.
ओरी चिड़ैया मेरी चिड़ैया अंगना
So
में फिरा
the second part is ठीक है कि when the daughter goes off and is married, the house is empty, it is lost, and you feel the parents feel lonely and empty. But this part of saying that, and they won't be selfish to say that now my house is empty, so you come back. No.
Okay, पर ये जो हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए.
हमने is who here, but हमने is who?
हमने सोचा
हर
नहीं था
मदर
तू जो
हर
उड़
सर-
जाएगी. कहने का मतलब कि तू अगर चली जाएगी और उस टाइम तेरे पे ये सितम.
नहीं one line to sitam ka हमने sitam because when you are young we parents do a lot of sitam on the children. It's not that we don't.
हमने is here the girl's parents or the in-laws you're talking about?
Anyway, there is an whatever is you have to understand and make it clear. So this is where that you have to be very particular about creativity, because this is where people say confusion and fusion, because you can't have it in an area. The lyrics have to be very
You do
clear.
a fusion, but then it should not
Become a
come to
confusion. You have done a very wonderful try.
No,
It's very touching
And the
to
song itself is really
very touching and beautiful song in the wonderful rhythm and fine, but try to understand the song properly, get the lyrics properly.
lyrics and what they are trying to say, project.
Huh. Because we will not be looking, nobody looks at front or the back. Whatever you do is it's now and here. So you can't कि पहले ये किसने देखा होगा, किसने नहीं देखा तो ये इतना ही देखेगा. So then there is confusion. Okay, so this is where we are into this area of creativity, where it was subjects that we were looking at. So here was one about the girl child. What other subjects that you can think of that you have done?
Ecology.
Yeah,
Nature.
how nature,
Nature,
right?
yes.
How the nature, human beings supports nature, nature supports, and what is the birds and animals and animal life and all that. So there was this beautiful song, in Gujarati.
Yes.
That you would want to try something? You can speak the words?
પંખીઓએ કલ શોર કર્યો ભાઈ ધરતીને સૂરજ ચૂમ્યો કુથલી લઈને સાંજનો સમીર આજ વને વન ઘૂમ્યો વને વન ઘૂમ્યો.
So what does it mean? પંખીઓએ કલ શોર કર્યો ભાઈ ધરતીને સૂરજ ચૂમ્યો. When does that happen? Sunset. So this is the evening time when the birds come back and kuthli laine. So all these gossips of the world. Kuthli laine sanjno samir in the evening it's soft and nice. Aaj vane van ghumyo. So let's see what you've done. Yeah, you've done the choreography and we had, in case you do one whole item or a whole dance drama, but varieties of subjects can be done.
Yes.
And the extension of the technique is
How much your imagination takes you.
no, and command.
Command, that is the first thing, of
Command,
course.
command. You have to work on it and make it yours. It's ધરતીને સૂરજ ચૂમ્યો કુથલી લઈને સાજનો સમીર આજે વને વન કુથલી લઈને સાજનો સમીર આજે વને વન ખુલ્લી પડેલી પ્રીતનો વાર્ત કાળી કાળીએ જાણ્યો ખુલ્લી પડેલી પ્રીતનો વાર્ત કાળી કાળીએ જાણ્યો શરમની મારી ધરણી મારી રાતનો ઘૂમતો તાણ્યો શરમની મારી ધરણી કાળી રાતનો ઘૂમતો તાણ્યો. પ્રગટ દીવા કઈક છપો છપ ઉગડી ગગન બારી દોડી આવી વીજનારી દોડી આવી વીજનારી. Okay, fine. So this is another way that
So they become very light.
Light.
The particular mood of,
the kind you are doing tai adavu, and the tai is strong, but this makes it look light. So without compromising on technique,
yes.
you can say so much. You can say everything.
Everything, yes.
Everything that you want to say, you can say. My first teacher, Pradeep Barua. So he came from Assam, and he says, "Ye to sab theek hai, you're learning, but you have to learn an Assamese item." And that was Dashavtar in Assamese.
That's great, absolutely great.
Dashavtar in Assamese. We were all amazed. Matsya rupe avataro bhoila prathamotare. First avatar is Matsya rupe bhoila prathamotare. Ugarela tsari. If you say chari, no. Tsari. Cha and sa. Tsari veda pralaya jale. जय जय राम राम रे रे खोबो हरि. So this is something same subject, Dashavtar, but coming differently.
I think this is very interesting. I would also, if you can.
Please come.
This is great. Thank you
Please
so
come.
much. Thank you so much.
Come. So it says Motsya Rupe Avataro Bhoila Prathamotare Ugarila Sari Veda Pralayaja Le Jai Ram Ram Re Khobho Hari, and do it in Tatai Tita. I'll show you, so follow. Moksha-rupe avataro Bhoila prathamotare Ugarila Sari Veda Pralayaja
That's great.
Same.
One more time.
Please,
you can do it,
yeah.
please.
It
Very
is
good.
Bhoila
Bhoila
Prathamotare, and Ugarila Sari Veda.
Okay.
Because it must come clearly. Sarupe avataro Bhoila Prathamotare Ugarila Sari Veda Pralayaja Jai You can do any direction and it becomes a choreography by itself.
Thank you so much. That's great.
So this is using different subjects. I mean, there are umpteen 10,001 subjects on which people have talked in dance. In theory you will study all about all these great choreographers and masters and even young people. Young people are doing so much creative work
They are really.
because they are
coming
charged
more
up.
into this,
They are charged up and they want to expound the boundaries, and they are not sure who is the God, who is the king, because there is no king, no God. The reality of that world and this world is very different, and they're trying to match. You all are trying to match these two realities.
And I'm sure these young people, they can do wonders if they really.
I mean, we see this energy.
This energy.
It's amazing. And then the next step, or there is the next area can be in selection of different musics.
Yes, that's very important. Yes, in music.
Like when you are not into the typical Bharatanatyam Margam format, then there are so many classical,
Semi-classical also, you have beautiful
songs. Like Haveri Sangeet. Let's say it's totally classical, and when you have Jasraj singing Lal Gulal, then when you dance that, it's just out of the world. And Bharatanatyam can take to all these things.
And I think, Parvin, that now even the audience also, they, of course, tradition is always there, it is always very beautiful. But then now people, they really want to see something more in the field of dance. They really are expecting, that is what I feel.
See, in the area of painting, in the area of sculpture, in the architecture, they have all gone to what we call modern.
Modern, yes.
Postmodern, minimalism, and so forth. Even in vocal, a whole lot. I mean, when we look at your Lakshmi Suktam,
Yes.
Mahalakshmi Suktam, if you would perform it, it is classical
Classical, yes.
music.
Music, yes.
It is based on the Devi, It is set to Bharatanatyam,
Natyam.
but still it is different.
It is.
And it is so much admired by people because that world and this world is changed. And though the worship to the god remains, I mean, we have all the temples in the world, but the way of presentation
Yes, that
is changed. And so we are looking into new genres of music. You can try the Lakshmi Suktam, Mahalakshmi Suktam. Remember? Because
No, and that will be really good to watch that because
Yeah.
we've been seeing this all male gods.
Gods, right.
So it's good.
Shiva,
that we-
Krishna.
and
Yeah.
so it's good that we can
Devi.
see something on the female goddesses.
चलो चलो शुरू करते हैं मिति करो चलो
We had this choreography, I think Monday I would also want to do it. Of course, this I cannot do extreme form, but I will definitely want to do one day. It's beautiful, great. Yeah, I can see that up and down in the music also. It's
Music. Yeah, beautiful. Music is lovely. And you can call it Shabdam because each thing, and there is a small, and there is this thing, and there is a small. But it's not in the format. But it is kind of similar, like that. So this is the way that different genres of music can be also used to create. Only thing you need to remember is that you have to be strict about the selection, the technique. You can't take liberties with the technique. When you are coming in the circle, then the feet must be up, not like that. You follow? So feet together, even if you.
Maybe on
So
the toes, yeah.
the more the practice you have, it happens. And so now, as you see, you are not only contented with the practice of the Adavus in this world, your world, as you have more energy and as you want to go beyond so many things, you have to have your exercises, you have to have your asanas, you have to have your Abhinay Darpanam, you must know music, you must know poetry, you must know past and you must know present. I mean, then only you will be, because youngsters are charged up today. There are, multitaskers. They, you will have to, some people are doing law and then they are doing performance studies.
Yes.
So some people are engineer and evening they will come and perform. So they have their brains with them. So if you are alone in dance and dance is your vocation, you have to be really, really in top of the world. And dance can do all this. That is the luckiest part, you see. And you have no stress. The lawyer would have stress, the doctor would have stress, but you won't have any stress ever in your life. So, thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.